Hi, Jesseb here. We're going to take a look at the sum array formula, but this particular one is going to include looking at a specific item that was sold by a certain individual, and then, of course, sum the total number sold. So we're going to take a little jump back to Star Wars, and you'll notice here that we have Blaster Rifle by Han Solo. So we want to know in the list of weapons sold, how many blast rifles were sold by Han Solo, and the total numbers are over in this column. So I'm going to slide over a little bit so you can see our breakdown over here, and we're going to build our formula. So it is equals sum, because we are wanting to do a sum, but notice the double parentheses here because we're going to break this down into three parts. So the first part needs to be in a parentheses. So that's going to be, and we'll select A34 down to A61. So that's our first, and we put in our equal here because we want to find our blaster rifle in this column, then close parentheses, an asterisk, and then the next piece is going to be an open parentheses, and then we're looking to see who sold this particular item, but the person who sold it, we want to find Han Solo. Only where Han Solo sold, and we close parentheses because that's the end of the second part of our sum, and then another asterisk, open parentheses, and we look for the numbers. So when the first two match, then looking over in the C column, C34 to C61 in this case, we want to take and sum, because that's our function here at the very beginning, we want to sum all of that. So now we need a close parentheses for the sum because we have our three parts for the array. And then, of course, to make it an array, we do Control, Shift, and press Enter. We get the curly parentheses at the end now because there it is. And our total answer here is 36. So Han Solo, selling blaster rifles, sold a grand total of 36. Have a great day.